Hi friends, welcome back. In this video, we will share with you, on this very interesting topic, 53 crazy facts you didn't know about human. Continue to watch this fun video till the end and don't skip in the middle, otherwise you will miss craziest fact about yourself which you may not know yet. Let's start. Number 1. If you're a female and you feel like your heart beats quicker than your male counterparts, you're not wrong. Women's hearts are proven to beat faster than men's. As well as having faster heartbeats, women blink twice as much as men as well. Number 2. Goosebumps evolved to make our ancestors' hair stand up, making them appear more threatening to predators. Number 3. No matter how many times you try, it's impossible to sneeze and keep your eyes open at the same time. Number 4. When you sneeze, it could potentially travel at 100 miles per hour, or even faster. Number 5. After a long day at work, you will be around 8 millimeters shorter than you were in the morning. If you feel taller when you wake up, it's because you are. Number 6. While humans are not the biggest, fastest, or strongest animals around, we are the best at something: long distance running. Our long legs, upright posture, and ability to shed heat via sweat are all factors that make us good runners. In fact, early humans used to hunt their prey by chasing it for long periods of time until the animals literally died from exhaustion, a technique known as persistence hunting. Number 7. Can't remember your dream from last night? That's perfectly normal, since most people will forget 90% of their dreams. Number 8. The human brain is very powerful. It uses as much energy as a 10-watt light bulb. Number 9. Pound for pound, your bones are stronger than steel. A block of bone the size of a matchbox can support up to 18,000 pounds of weight. Number 10. The average person will walk around 100,000 miles during their lifetime. It's time to start the pedometer. Number 11. Can you hear your eyeballs moving around in your head? If you can, you're one of a few people who actually have the ability to do this, and it's perfectly normal. Crazy, right? Number 12. Infants are born with approximately 300 bones, but as they grow some of these bones fuse together. By the time they reach adulthood, they only have 206 bones. Number 13. Being pregnant can cause some weird things to happen. Most women will dream about one or more of 3 common things during pregnancy: frogs, worms, and potted plants. Number 14. While you're flying in an airplane, your hair will grow at twice the rate it usually does. That's why you seem to need more regular haircuts when you've been traveling a lot. Number 15. It's much less effort to be happy. You'll use 17 muscles to smile versus 43 to frown and be miserable. Number 16. Humans are the only animals with chins. Number 17. If you don't have blue eyes now, you were born with them. Everybody is born with blue eyes due to pigment melanin, but the color will change for most people as they grow up. Number 18. Walking uses a total of 200 muscles with every step you take. Number 19. Although you can't always remember what the smell is, your nose can remember around 50,000 different scents. Number 20. Every second, your body produces 25 million new cells. That means in 15 seconds, you will have produced more cells than there are people in the United States. Number 21. Our taste buds seem to change throughout our lives, but by the age of 60, the average person has lost half their taste buds. This is why older people don't seem to care as much about bitter or unusual tastes. Number 22. People burn more calories being asleep than they do by watching the TV. More reason to take a nap. Number 23. In your mouth alone, there is more bacteria than there are people in the entire world. Number 24. Your fingerprints aren't the only part of your body which are completely unique to you. Your tongue also has a unique pattern and print to it. Number 25. While this can't be said for everybody, the average person will say around 5,000 words every single day. Number 26. As you breathe, most of the air is going in and out of one nostril. Every few hours, the workload shifts to the other nostril. Number 27. No matter how ticklish you are, It's impossible to tickle yourself since you're expecting it and your brain processes it differently. Number 28. Tiny mites, so small that you can't see them, are living on your eyelashes and on other body hair. Sounds wacky, right? Number 29. For the photographer. Lol. The best camera in the world has 200 megapixels, but your eyes would have 576 megapixels if it was a camera. Number 30. Babies seem to have big eyes since the eyeball never actually grows. On the other hand, your ears and nose never stop growing. Number 31. It's scientifically proven that children grow faster in the spring, so you're not imagining things when your little nephews and nieces seem to be suddenly older by the summer. Number 32. Despite accounting for 2% of our body mass, the brain uses 20% of our oxygen and blood supply. Number 33. Your blood pressure and heart rate can be decreased by listening to relaxing music. Sometimes music is used in hospitals to slow down the heart rate of patients if necessary. Number 34. You have 2 kidneys, but only one is necessary to live. Number 35. Your brain is at its peak when you're in your late 40s. If you haven't reached that point yet, don't worry because you've got time to get even smarter. Number 36. The satisfying sound of cracking your knuckles comes from gas bubbles bursting in your joints. Cracking your knuckles doesn't necessarily cause arthritis. If you develop arthritis, it's most likely because of something else. Number 37. Your sense of smell is around 100 times stronger than your sense of taste. However, the human sense of smell is much weaker than the sense of smells which animals have. Number 38. Your brain is developed and created using 50% of your genes. The other 50% of your genes are used for the rest of your body. So now you understood why brain is more important than look. Number 39. Skin is the body's largest organ and can comprise 15% of a person's total weight. Number 40. Make sure you wear a hat this winter. A total of 80% of your body heat is lost through your head, so it's time to invest in a good woolly beanie. Number 41. Thumbs have their own pulse. Amusing, right? Number 42. Your little finger is the smallest one on your hand, but it is actually responsible for 50% of your hand strength. Without it, you would notice more difference than losing any of your other fingers. Number 43. If you want to burn maximum calories, go for a run when you first wake up and before you eat anything. Exercising on an empty stomach will burn around 20% more calories. Number 44. If you're a woman and you're suffering from back pain, wearing a bra won't reduce this as it will help you to be in a correct posture. Number 45. Blushing is caused by a rush of adrenaline. It's not just your cheeks that turn red and expose your embarrassment when you're blushing. Your stomach also turns red, but not many people will notice this. Number 46. There are people of different colors in the world because of the level of melanin in the body. This is something which is passed on through genes. Number 47. The human heart beats around 100,000 times every single day. Number 48. Red blood cells are responsible for carrying oxygen all over the human body. This is why people with a low blood count often feel tired and fatigued. Number 49. You lose 200 million skin cells every hour, and these dead skin cells can actually decrease air pollution. According to the American Chemical Society, these dead skin cells are a significant contributor to house dust and can be beneficial. As your dead skin cells fall off and collect around your home and office, they're also taking with them skin oils such as cholesterol and squalene. Studies have shown that squalene can reduce levels of ozone, a harmful pollutant that can irritate your eyes, nose and throat and exacerbate asthma symptoms. In fact, the squalene in settled dust can reduce ozone in indoor spaces, reducing indoor pollution levels by up to 15%. Number 50. Bacteria in your gut can influence your mood. Number 51. We already mentioned your gut can do some pretty amazing things, but did you know it can also impact your mental health? You have an immense number of bacteria in your gut that are collectively referred to as your microbiome. This collection of bacteria can impact neural development, brain chemistry, emotional behaviors, pain perception and stress. Your gut is sterile when you're born. Over time, your GI tract will develop a diverse colony of bacterial species, which can be influenced by your genetics and the bacteria in the environment you live in. Number 52. Want to know how to tell if somebody is lying? People blink a lot less while telling a lie, and then speed up afterwards. Number 53. Your heart rate and breathing can sync up to the music you're listening to. That's right. The music you listen to can cause physiological changes in your blood pressure, heart rate and respiration. Let us know in the comments section about any other crazy facts we are missing. Like and share this video with your friends and loved ones.